Hello everyone, I'm Harshini. I'm an alumnus of this college. I passed out in 2011. I'm currently pursuing my Masters at IIT Madras in the Department of Aerospace Engineering. I passed out from the Department of Aeronautical Engineering from Veritech. It's been a long time since I came to this college. It's been nearly 2.5 years since I left the college. I don't know why, but I keep having deja vus about coming to this college, and suddenly yesterday, a few days back, Sarasu ma'am had called me up saying that Mr. Ferrempin from MBDA Systems wants to meet me. So all I thought was I have to just meet him and discuss about my PhD and go back. When I was here, all of a sudden the Vice Chancellor has asked me to give a small recording so that she can play it to you and you guys can listen. So you're my juniors, essentially. So what is the message I want to convey today? Let me first take this opportunity to thank the Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, the entire college. They have been a huge support. When I joined for my BTech here, mine was the first batch of aeronautical engineering. We didn't have a lot of infrastructure, we didn't have a lot of opportunities like you guys have today. But one of the most supportive people out here were Rangarajan sir and Vice Chancellor ma'am. And these people, no matter what, if I go to them, ask them, I want to do a project with so-and-so company, please sign an MOU. They took genuine interest in getting an MOU signed for us. Though I initiated it was for all of us. So, I don't think any other college or anybody else would be so supportive. So let me thank them, let me genuinely thank them from the bottom of my heart today. So today the reason why I came here is they have signed an MOU with MBDA Systems, and MBDA Systems essentially wants to do a PhD, wants to talk about a PhD opportunity with me. And I just can't tell you how happy I am right now that people are asking me to do PhD with them. So let me all thanks and everything apart. Now let me come to the important message I want to convey to the juniors out here. When I came into this college, I came with a lot of dreams, a lot of aspirations, a lot of hopes and everything. And I'm sure every one of you sitting here listening to this recording right now will also have come with the same kind of dreams, aspirations, anxieties, what your future will be like and everything. Believe me, there's only one. I'm not getting highly philosophical or anything, but this is a sure way to success. This is a sure way to live life happily. So have your dreams. I'm sure each one of you will have a different dream. First, identify what your dream is. That's very important. Then, no matter what, just keep it as your goal and just keep moving towards it. You will have a lot of setbacks. You'll fall down several times. You will have a lot of painful moments. When you have a true dream and when you want to reach there, you will have more painful moments than you will have several happy moments. So beyond all this, what matters is, do you have the perseverance to go towards your dreams? If you have the perseverance, just follow them, follow your heart, no matter what dream it is. And this may sound very old and like a cliche, but never quit. It's very important, never quit. Just keep on moving towards your dream, and one day you'll definitely be successful. I hope all of you a very good luck, and I wish all of you will come out with flying colors. Just follow your heart. Thank you.